Welcome to a journey of financial transformation for your multi-location healthcare practice with Roghnu and Sage Intacct. Today, we'll dive into key strategies that can streamline your operations and empower you with real-time insights. If you're watching this, you're likely to share common challenges with many of our customers. Outdated data, month-end close marathons, and manual data entry taking precedence over strategic decision-making. The good news? Roghnu specializes in tailoring Sage Intacct for healthcare companies, offering proven solutions to these issues. In collaboration with Sage Intacct, Roghnu introduces a game changing solution: multi entity consolidations. Simply put, the faster information flows in and out of your accounting system, the quicker your closing process becomes. Our experts will seamlessly automate your processes, which dramatically reduces closing time from weeks to just a few days. Automation is the key, especially for inter-entity transactions. Sage Intacct's standardized processes, combined with Roghnu's expertise, eliminate manual efforts and enhances data quality. Picture expanding your locations, growing services, and managing it all effortlessly without burdening your accounting team. Now let's talk about Excel. We understand the love accountants have for it. However, relying on Excel for complex accounting activities has limitations and risks. Sage Intacct and Roghnu focus on automating consolidations, inter-entity transactions, and real-time reports, reducing the need for Excel and mitigating associated risks. Say goodbye to the frustration of searching for data. With Roghnu's assistance, reporting becomes a breeze. Real time insights, customizable reports, and dimensions tailored to your practice allow you to analyze KPIs, compare across locations, and make informed decisions. Automated processes ensure faster report generation, putting the most current and reliable data at your fingertips. As the finance leader of a multi entity healthcare practice, you're not just closing books, you're making strategic decisions. Sage is only as good as it is implemented. It's just another system that doesn't work if it's not configured to your needs. Leverage Roghnu's experience and knowledge from purchase to implementation to make Sage Intacct your source of truth, empowering you with financial and operations data that drives your decisions. Join us in revolutionizing your approach to financial management. For more information about working with Roghnu and bringing Sage Intacct or the data portal into your business, scan the code on the screen or click on the link in the description.